Creating a hashtag challenge. Hey there, everyone. You've learned how to optimize your TikTok profile. You've learned how to create compelling content for TikTok users. And you've learned the easiest way to discover what's hot on the platform. Now it is time to master it all by learning how to create a hashtag challenge. Challenges are nothing new for social media users, but TikTok found a way to make them unique for its audience. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to easily set up a hashtag challenge from start to finish, step by step. Getting started. When you create a hashtag challenge on TikTok, the very first step is to come up with a cool challenge idea. It can be something funny, such as encouraging users to roll up on the floor or dancing, or it can be something more serious, but relatable, such as coming out with a trending issue on video. You can find inspiration for your challenges in the Discover screen. You'll simply have to look at the videos posted in the trending hashtags section. Pay attention to hashtags that have the challenge keyword at the end to see what type of challenges are trending on TikTok. Creating the challenge. Once you come up with a cool challenge idea, you can start creating it by tapping on the Create shortcut icon. First, customize the video. Tap on Sounds to select the sound from the TikTok Sounds library. Make sure to select the sound clip that fits the topic of your challenge. Next, tap on the More icon to set the speed of the video, to turn on or off beauty mode, to select a filter, and to make a cut to the audio clip if you need to using the timer. Now tap on the Effects icon to select an effect for your recording. Remember that you can also upload a video or image to your recording by tapping on Upload. Alright, now select the length of your video. Because this is a challenge, it is best to record a 15-second video. Now tap on the Record button icon to start recording. Because this is a challenge that you want your viewers to imitate, we highly recommend that you rehearse what you'll do on camera before you record. And once you complete the recording, tap on the confirmation icon to process the video. Now that you are on the preview screen, you can make additional edits to the video, such as adding more visual effects, adding text, and adding stickers by tapping on the available icons. You can tap on Next to continue after making your last edits. Alright, now it is time to personalize the hashtag challenge for the video. Start by adding a description of the challenge into the Describe Your Video field. Tap on Hashtags to add your challenge keyword. Here you simply have to enter the keyword right after the hashtag symbol, and then to add the word challenge at the end. To maximize the reach and engagement you'll get, and to make sure that you go viral, allow all permissions for your challenge video. Now tap on Post to finish. And that's it. Now your new hashtag challenge will spread, and you will go viral in less time than you'd expect. That right there is the power of TikTok marketing.